Here I have a Stanley Lock Mortiser. It's used to put the old style mortise style locks into doors. Not used much anymore, but it would cuts the slot and then these just slip in when the two screws hold it in place. Pretty neat looking little machine here. It clamps onto your door and it's centering when you clamp on. Here's your cutter. This one's a little bit wider, I think, than normal, but it works just fine. We got a couple slides here, and the way it works is when you pull this back, the router head slides on these slides. There's a little catch, that little arm here that catches this round piece here with these tabs, and when it goes by, it turns at one click, which lowers this assembly down using this Acme screw, and then every time it goes back and forth, it goes down one more click, and then it takes out a little bit more on each pass. So it's pretty neat setup. Then your width of your mortise is set by this screw here. You adjust how far you can move it back and forth that way. So as you can see, when I pull it this way, if you watch that, it'll turn. Okay, it was pretty hard to see there with that. There, it clicked back. So I'll just fire it up and we'll give it a try. There you go. You can see a little bit that went down in there, and like I said, pretty neat little machine.